pointing out the sites, answering your questions, and even throwing in a little story or two. As we go by here, our general manager has come out to wave, so let's give him a nice wave. And all the folks here at the maintenance yard. As we go by the maintenance yard, we can see the old locomotives, the Hunslets and the Paulines, as well as our additional LYD2060 hydraulic diesel powered engine. On the left-hand side, we also see the Robert Llewellyn Bradshaw International Airport. You can see the arrivals and departure lounges. There is a plane on the tarmac. The tarmac runs all the way down. The runway runs all the way down the left-hand side here. Rule number 3, hold on to your hats, your caps, your scarves, anything that can take flight. And lastly, don't reach out to pick any fruit, flowers, or leaves. Keep your hands on the inside. So right around here, or right above us, the runway ends, you see that area is restricted. So the cows, the goats, the sheep can't come walking onto the runway. We are passing Connery Village, passing the Connery Sanitary Landfill. You see across there, or what looks like garbage. Yes, it is. It's properly managed by the Solid Waste Management Corporation. It used to be called the Connery Dump. Today it's properly managed by the Solid Waste Management Corporation. The pond across from us, Great Heath Pond, named for the Great Heath family. It's an old salt pond, no longer produces salt. Shrooms are located in the parlor car as well. It's on your left-hand side as you enter through the doorway. Please hold on to the handrails when going up or down the stairs. Train is powered by an LYD2060 hydraulic diesel powered engine. We travel along the 30-inch wide narrow gauge railway. This railway was built between 1912 and 1926 for the purpose of transporting sugarcane. Today we use it to enjoy this beautiful island, to capture the views, to learn our history, to see all of the beautiful sights. Anyway, the two islands, St. Kitts and Nevis, 2 islands, 1 country. At our closest point, the islands are just 2 miles apart. And if any one of you are open water swimmers, we do have a swim that is held normally the end of March next year. Which side of the island we are going to be on now? English, thank you. I like to know that you're listening. Right, so we are now in what was English territory. So the town up on the hillside had 2 names. The French side was Keon, the English side was St. Mary, which is named after that particular parish. On Nevis, there are 5 parishes. That meant Britain still oversaw our foreign affairs while we dealt with our local affairs. And in 1983, we gained full independence. So he went to see Sir Pierre Belin de Zambok. The 2 of them conspired, sent their men to kill the Colonial chief as he slept, and a couple days later, they would massacre over 2,000 of the indigenous people. Good for you. I hope you didn't get sick. When I go to Dominica now, I get sick, I get car sick. Such a long drive. Anyway, as well. Folks, you've had a mouthful from me so far. I'm going to let some other people entertain you now. And here they are coming up the steps as we speak. can feel it in the air right now. You see the cool breezes. We are crossing Soldier God Bridge. Very near the ship, there's a shop called Ram's Smoke and Booze, and at the craft market there's a stall. I am on a stall there. There's Moravian, Methodist, Catholic, Seventh-day Jehovah's Witness, the Mormons, the Baptists, the Pentecostals, and others. Largely a Christian who abolished slavery as of the 1st of August 1834. The proclamation of the abolition of slavery will be read at Golden Rock Estate on the 1st of August 1834. However, the enslaved throughout the colonies would not gain their freedom. Went back, designed and built these carriages. They sent people to upgrade the tracks and sold the tour. They had bought all the necessary equipment, trained their staff and everything. And the very first tour was the 28th of January. Tourism having become the #1 income earner. The government losing money in sugar, breakdown in equipment, labor shortage. That mountain you see across there is also a dormant volcano. Do we have many Americans on board with us today? Those above us is fictitious